I went to undergrad at Denison University in Granville, Ohio. And after college, I moved to New York City, where I taught middle school science for 3 years. I always thought, though, I wanted to go to law school because I really love advocating for people. Even when I was in high school, my high school, Fruita, had a program called Side by Side, and it was a program that paired children or students with special needs with other students. I think that was really one of the earliest experiences that led me to be interested in becoming an attorney and advocating for others. After law school, I clerked for a judge in Jefferson County. Her docket was primarily child welfare. She did have some custody cases and paternity cases, so I did get some exposure to those sorts of issues while clerking for her. I did a lot of research for her. I sat in on courtroom hearings. I would interface with the parties sometimes to help them figure out how to navigate the court system. But I really felt like working for her, I understand what is happening behind the scenes in the courtroom, the systems that they're using and how they go about managing their dockets. After that, I did go into private practice, doing a little bit of family law, but mostly dependency and neglect work. That is when the Department of Human Services is involved in a family. And I was a solo practitioner for about 6 years. Working as a solo practitioner is hard. I was doing everything. I drafted all of the pleadings, filed them. I answered all of my own phones, went to meetings and hearings for my clients. But I learned so much doing all of that. Working for Colorado Legal Group, there are more resources available to me, and that allows me to focus more on my clients and getting them the best outcomes possible. Something that makes me different as an attorney is that my number one priority is communication with my clients. I understand that is the foundation for the best advocacy that I can provide for my client, because I'm telling their story and I'm making sure that I'm keeping their priorities in mind, that I'm advocating for what they truly want. I also know that clients need to know what's happening on their case, and they want as much information as they can get. And that's something that they sometimes struggle with, is not hearing from their attorney often enough, or not feeling like they're a priority for their attorney. I also need to know what's happening from their perspective so that I am advocating for what they truly want or for what's actually going on, and that I'm providing them with updates as the case goes.